Both of these turn though.
This is for turn signals.
Oh, that's your turn signal.
Yep. And then these are your headlights.
I see.
Another thing we didn't cover, your four-wheel drive. That is this one. So you'll want to lift that up to put it in the four-wheel drive.
So right now, what is it in?
It's just in two wheels, so it's in rear-wheel drive.
So right now, so if I lift up?
It won't unless you're started and yeah.
Okay.
It had to be like without moving, or it can be activated when it's moving.
You have to be stopped to put it in four-wheel drive.
But with the engine on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes with hydraulic tractors, sometimes even if I have the engine on, it might not go in real easy. You might have to just tap the pedal and let off to get it to fall in.
You mean the drive pedal?
Yeah. Yep, sometimes you just have to give it, like, don't, be going, but just give it a little tap and pull at the same time. It's just the way hydraulics work.
Pull it when you're stopped though.
Yes. Yep. And same thing with this lever. Like right now we're in medium range. So you have low, medium, high range. That's going to be your speeds. So low is good for loader work or using, the slower stuff where you need more power. Medium is good for, going A to B basically. High would only be like if you're running on the highway.
So
road.
this is like what, 5 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour? Is that how this works?
Somewhat. Yeah, I'd say like 3, 6, and 10. Something like
That's
that.
their max speed, right?
Yeah, around 10, 11, 13, I don't know, somewhere in there.
And what's this guy?
The book might tell you that. That one you don't need to worry about. That would be if you had cruise control.
We don't
And we don't need that on tractors, no.
Oh, so this is cruise control?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And what's this thing?
That is your rear locking differential.
What's that?
So what that'll do is if you were in extreme cases, extreme mud, or somewhere where you're getting stuck, you would, there again, you have to be stopped. But you would push your heel on this, and see how it stops there? You would hold pressure on it with your heel, and then just barely touch there again the forward pedal. And you'll feel it. You'll feel your heel sink down a little bit. That means it's locked in. At that point, you can go. But that makes both wheels turn at the same speed.
You mean this guy?
Yeah, both of them.
So it's like if you're stuck in mud?
Yes. Yeah. But you don't want to try to put that in and like push all the way forward on the pedal.
You mean on that guy?
Right. Yeah. You just want to barely. Just so it's wanting to just turn, because what you're doing is you're taking this wheel and connecting it to that wheel via a pin. So if there's holes in the plate and you have your pin sitting here, basically you just want to move it enough that they gel together.
I see. You want this to move as one
You want
unit,
it to lock up.
and that'll get me out of mud?
Yes.
And how you get it off? Like how you take it?
Just leave your foot off then.
Okay, so it has to be pressure.
You have to hold pressure on it as long as you want to use it.
Okay.
9 out of 10, just putting it in four-wheel drive is good enough. But if you need extra traction, that will do it. If you get stuck there, don't call me. No. You'll need a bigger machine.
Okay.
That's why we're going to sell you that big machine
Big machine.
to pull this one out when you get it stuck, George.
Yeah,
Okay?
okay.
All right.
This one you can pull it out.
What about, what's this thing?
Oh, that is to set your parking brake.
What do you mean?
So as a safety, you have a parking brake just like a car does.
Mhm.
So you push your brake in
Mm-hmm.
and then you pull that up.
Uh,
See how it locked it?
Okay. Oh no, it didn't lock.
Yep, that's locked. And then when you push in, it'll unlock it. That way you don't have to hit it every time. So you just lift up to set it, and then when you get on the tractor and start it, before you go to move, you just hit that with your feet and it'll
I see.
It'll-
So to
it'll-
lock, press in, and just
and
push-
lift this up.
lift this
Yep.
up.
Yeah, and it'll show you, yep, the up symbol with the,
I see. Okay.
Now, one thing that you will have to do periodically, they recommend every 10 hours of use, is grease your loader and the backhoe.
You mean here?
Well, there's one there,
Pins.
This?
all the pins, yep. And there's one here. Anywhere there's a pin that moves. So
So
this
grease
one's
here?
Oh, that one's underneath.
Oh, this black stuff?
Yeah, the black stuff. Everywhere you see that is grease.
Okay,
And
so
then
there's
there'll be
one
one
here.
here.
Oh, shoot. It is
You
grease.
found it. Just wipe it on your tire.
Are you sure?
No, just on the grass.
No, either way.
I see. And what kind of grease?
You can wipe it on me. Basically, any grease made for equipment. There again, we sell it here, but you don't have to buy ours. But anything that's, I believe it's NLG2 rated.
I see.
But that's most grease.
But you know, there's grease here too, is it not?
Mhm.
This black thing
Yeah.
right here.
Yep. It goes through there.
So
no,
do I
this,
put it
this
here?
is this is just where they didn't paint it.
Okay.
But
So then, where do we actually have to grease? One.
and it'll be in the book too.
Oh, in the
to
book?
save- yeah. But there's one there. Basically, anywhere that things move. Yep. Right here.
Every
Right
10
here.
hours of use.
Of use on that piece,
Oh, and
not necessarily the tractor. You know what I mean? If most people do it, you know, once a month or something like that, or depending how much. If you're not using the loader a lot, you don't have to do it that often. But
I see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 here, right?
yep, and then there's one there too. See one right here?
Oh, down there.
Yep, for your quick on for your bucket.
Oh, this one right here.
Yep.
All this.
Yep,
That's a lot of grease. You see how they splattered it?
we like grease.
Okay.
And then in the back,
And then the backhoe gets greased as well.
which
Now-
areas?
Who was it if we had to take the bucket, how you release it?
How you take the bug off?
Yeah.
Just lift these up. So you just pick this up, and then this will.
Can you demonstrate us how to put it back?
No! Yeah. Lift that one for me. Alright, now we broke it.
Okay.
Now
and
it's
then-
half off anyhow. If you guys just stand back a tiny little bit, I'll start it and I'll show you what to do. So what you do is you're just gonna come on half leg of the machine. That's it. Back up. See how you have those little ears on then you just come up. See how that slides into that groove? Then you're just gonna come up a little bit and take the bucket and roll it. Now put them. Good. You did it. So it's that easy to change. So say you had a set of pallet forks. It's that easy to change from one thing to another. So what you want to do is you just come in. I like having the part of the tractor angled down. So when you come in, you know, roll it in
So
and lift up at the same time, and you just catch that hook in the bucket.
okay.
It takes a little practice, but once you get used to it, it's a lot easier than knocking out pins. You know, it used to take half an hour to change a bucket. Now it takes 30 seconds. So
Okay, so now let's go back with the backhoe. Okay.
yep.
So now explain us how this works. how you set these down? Can you demonstrate
Sure.
how you set it down? and
Absolutely.
extend it and
That's
stuff
another $49, but you got the money. We'll do
like
it. Now, I'll try to keep it, I'm not going to rev it up real loud. So if you have it revved up higher, it's going to work faster and be stronger. So in most cases, you'll have it revved up higher than I do right now.
Now, you don't have to switch now to control this one, right? It's just
Nope. Now, so you're going to take these guys here, push that down. So it almost touches. That makes it a lot easier to get on and off. So I'm just going to get on. And then, like I said, this is currently locked. So just bring it up, like bring this towards you just a little bit. See how easy that unlocks? That's it. Now, that'll control your main boom up and down. This one is going to bring your dipper out. And then left and right here does your and then left and right for your side to side.
can you extend it all the way in?
Yeah. That's your reach, your full reach there. I don't want to mess my grass up. We just paid to have a manicure. That was a joke. Oh yeah. Yeah, so basically when you dig, you're going to start with something like that to you use your teeth. And then you would just curl, you know, and come down and curl at the same time to start tearing out. You can't mess anything up really, it's just a matter of, you know, getting a feel for it and learning what does what. But, yeah, you should. When you're on it, if you're actually going to work with it, just lift your tractor off the ground a little bit. That way you're stable. You know what I mean? Then you're not rocking with the tractor. Just so it's off the ground a little bit is fine. There's no... What's that? Well, I would use the two in the middle for your feet there. Good.